So look at that, it's been browned up really nice. As normal, I take one of my favorite spaghetti sauces. That'll be perfect right about there. Start adding some paprika. It's not a lot, just a little bit to add a little smoke flavor. A little bit of my herbs. Garlic salt. There we go. Black pepper. Garlic. Put the garlic back in. I pulled it out. It's getting a little bit too brown. Let's put that in. I was fortunate. I've had the opportunity to work at a few Italian restaurants. I tell you, those Italians are geniuses when it comes to food. Very simple, very basic, but they are great cooks. World renowned. Let's take that up to a nice little boil. Gotta taste it, see how we're doing. Oh, that's nice. Sweet, tangy, just a touch of sugar. Not much, just a touch. All right, looking good. So we're gonna turn this down now. Beautiful. I'm gonna put a lid on it. Turn it way down. We're gonna cook this for about 15 minutes and just turn it off. This will be for lunch. So I just heated up the rolls here. I want these to be untouched because I want them to soak up the juice. Soak up the flavor. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, it's gonna go right in that sandwich. Fresh tomatoes, olive oil, sausage. I did add a little bit of, just a touch of red pepper, just a few flakes, because it just kind of changed the dynamic. I'm not looking for the hot, but I like that taste. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? So this is not a pickup sandwich. This is a knife and fork sandwich. So, all right. Some extra piece of garlic there. Oh yes. Some quattro formaggio, one of my favorite cheeses. Some fresh Parmesan. Beautiful. Takes too long to broil, so I love this fancy little cooking torch. Absolutely wonderful. And we start adding some basil. A little bit more Parmesan. And isn't that beautiful? It's a knife and fork meal. I'm going to turn off the channel. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the show.